brake caliper is stuck. We don't know why yet. I'm guessing customer was driving with the finger on the front brake and just overheat. Okay, what you will see is not the best, but it's good enough way how to deal with this with the simplest tool that everybody has. And you can do it even during travel, and the two hardest things will be pumping and release stuck parts. Take a look, but do not judge. It's not the perfect service way. Removing front caliper and brake pads in CB500X is very easy. We have very great access in here. We need Allen key to release the screw that keeps the pads on the place, and two number 12 sockets that will remove all of the caliper. So let's start it. Usually I start from I tighten screw with the holding braking pads, and then I tighten caliper. Caliper is stuck so badly that I cannot take it off from the disc, so I tighten vent to try to get some liquid off, and we will see if it helps. Remember, you have always cover, plastic cover inside, and this sealing that keeps water away from the braking fluid. It's highly hygroscopic and take water inside. And I can show you, because it's brown and it was changed 2 months ago, so that means overheat. You like to have fully clear braking fluid. Okay. We will see if the pistons will move, but they are not moving. For sure we need to change all of the brake fluid, that we will do. Clean pistons and put the new brake pads, because those old maybe are new, but I think they are completely burned. If you don't have a vacuum pump like me, you can use the trick. You add slowly braking fluid on the top next to pump, and pump out from the vent. And if you see fluid is going lower, then you add more and pump out until you will see fresh fluid in here. Now I will add on the top slowly fluid, because I think it's almost empty, and try to check when will be totally clear in here. Here is a lot of rust, and it was hard to move this piston outside. And every time when you move out pistons, lock by something in here to do not allow to go completely out. I think we just need to clean this and it should be fine. Just plastic brush. I will put a little bit kerosene more and wait, and then clean, and then one more time. When you like to move back pistons, you see many mechanics do it by force without unscrewing vent. It's not a good idea because, as you see before, your brake fluid is already dirty, especially in here. All of the small particles is going through these sealings inside, and also here is very hot. The best way is just open the vent, then it's easier even. Move the piston back, and then fluid is going from vent, easy. This way you prevent that this dirty brake fluid do not come back into your pipes. And trust me, if you have ABS pump, you don't like to have this in your pump. Believe me. So this is better way to do it. It's not perfect way, but it's better way. So before you move back pistons, just relieve the vent, then move the pistons out, and fluid will go this way. And as you see, cylinders are moving without any problem now. Let's put everything back together. What we have done till this moment. We have new brake fluid and clean a little bit pistons. Now it's time to remove the air from the brakes and try. Okay, so old trick, it's working like this. You put fluid a little bit, and trust me, you think it's nothing happening here, but yes, it's happened. This pump, this one is hand brake pump. It's working slow. So you pump, 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 slightly release and pump, 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 release, close. Yes, you release, and lever is going, 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 and you have to close before you touch the grip. So even we do like this, maybe will be. So pump, 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 pump. Release gently, going lever down and close. And pump, 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 pump. It's quite hard now. So if it's quite hard, time to close, remove. Brake looks quite okay, so it's time to clean this mess, to do not ride over all of those fluids by bike. Clean the bike slightly, to do not left any brake fluid on the plastic and so over. Well, I'm surprised. I thought I have to change brake pads after this operation, but brakes works very well. And the most important thing, wheel is not locked, like brake caliper is not stuck anymore. And this is the proof. So as you see, it's not so complicated, and do not worry that it's not safe or so on. It's much safer to have caliper like this than travel with the stuck one, because if you have stuck one, your brake disc is very hot. If your brake disc is very hot, if you hit the pot, you can easily bend disc. And also boiling brake fluid, it's not a good idea, because when it's boiling, you do not have braking force. So just stop for a moment, repair stuff, and you will be the bravest rider in the team. So I hope you enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and I promise you record much more often. See you guys in the next movie.